Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today's video I brought for a beautiful video, so I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the picture, you can see very beautiful. Everything is in red color, cotton, wall, lamp and all, and the bed, the floor also, the roof, everything is in red color, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the frame, you can see in the down, you can see beautiful decoration. This is also very beautiful. You can see the wall, everything is the red color. This also you can see the floor, you can see this mat, very beautiful mat and all, and the table, the floor and the wall. It's also very beautiful. You can see the wall red color, bed red color, black color lights and all in the frame. It's also very beautiful. You can see the sitting area, balcony, you can see very beautiful, the bulbs and all, and you can see here the very beautiful kitchen. Bathroom also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the wall decoration, flowers and all, very beautiful, looking very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the the wall decoration, glass and all, and the mirror, big side lights, the wall. This is also blue color wall, cupboard and all, everything is very beautiful, very good looking, very expensive room, bathroom. This also you can see the floor, you can see beautiful decoration, maybe they put mat or what, and the wall, white color wall and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the small plants on the side and the bed. This one, the mirror, window, it is there, the one small plant, it is there, bed also in white color, beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the ball, I don't know, it is for sitting. This also you can see the floor, you can see silver color and white color. Up you can see black color fan, and the wall also in black color, beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the blue color wall, the bed, the floor, the cupboards and all, and the plants, very beautiful decoration and design. This one, the up very fan, you can see the color theme, the wooden color theme. You can see the cupboards door and all, very beautiful. This one you can see the lamp, the floor and the mirror. So I hope you like this video. If you also, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. When I post my video, you get the notification first. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.